Hello guys, this is Eleftheria from Eleftheria Business PR. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you're well and you enjoyed my videos, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I download video every Thursday, and I might change that in the future, but at the moment it's every Thursday. You can leave your comments below. Ask me any questions you have. In today's video, I'm going to show you a way on how to create a board on Pinterest, because, there's always things changing on Pinterest, like from the analytics and the way you create things. They have changed a lot of things on the main platform, so we're always talking about strategies. So today I will show you a way on how to create a board and how to delete it. So you come over here, you see this plus button. So you press the plus button, you can see here pin, add idea pin, board. So you press the board. Now, remember that a lot of pinners and Pinterest users, they like to have those fancy names. They think they will attract followers by put a fancy name, or, I'm not talking about trying to spam somebody, but you need to really use the Pinterest language, and we need to follow the Pinterest algorithm in order to be successful. That's the key. So I do PR tips, for instance. Remember that when doing that, you have to make sure that you're following the Pinterest algorithm and Pinterest language, because it's not gonna work for you on Pinterest if you just do your own way and you think by put a fancy name is gonna work for you. So you need to keep that in mind. Now we want to keep this board secret. Yes, I tick it, and then we create the board. I want to keep this board a secret because I don't have pins to pin, and I'm going to prepare it, and then I'm going to make it, available to people. Now we have a couple of suggestions, like for PR PR pins. So we click on the pins and we save a couple of those pins into the board. Simple as that. And then we do done. It's just an example I just want to show you. Now, as you can see here, you have more ideas, like for example, to get more similar pins. You can click this, we can see, we can save things here. It's just, an example to show you what you can find, and then you can save anything you might want, like branding and designing and all that. It's just an example. We're going back. Go back. Now, as you can see here, again, we have the notes of the board, and we have how to organize. Select pins to start, select all. If you want to add here, you can do select all, deselect. It's just an example, guys, to see. That's all new if you have been on Pinterest for a while. Now we go here on Pinterest tips, and we have share, merge, archive this board, create a pin code, and edit this board. So we'll go edit this board. You can put your cover here. Then you have the name, but you can come here and change it anytime, the description. And also remember that if you want to invite collaborators. You can do it that way. It's simple as that. So we're going back again. If you want to add people to your to have it as a group board, remember that we take this to keep it secret, and then we have a tick personalization. Now, what is that? Is that giving us more ideas means that, you know, we can share in our home feed in relation to what we're going to pin to the PR tips. And also the delete board. Now, I haven't ticked this, but you can tick it. Of course, I can tick it anytime I want. And this one is how to delete the board, and then you done. It's just an example. And remember, we have the notes here. If you come here on your main profile and you refresh the page, it's a bit slow. You're going to see the secret board. Obviously, so it's only visible to us that we are creating it. It's not going to be visible for the others. There it is, first. So you can see it here with the pin that we have saved, and then the rest of them. So it's simple as that. So you need to keep it in mind that, you know, there is more ideas now. They're organized. And then if you want to, you know, collaboration. So if you want to make it visible, you come over here and you make it visible. Simple as that. So there's a couple of tips for this week on the boards, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like this video, leave your comments below, and I wish you well.